Am I audible to you, sir?
Hello.
Am I audible? Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, great.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
बोल सकते हो ना यार जो मेरे को ना जो म्यूट đúng rồi nhá meeting chấm nào rồi nhá
हाँ 2 मिनट में स्टार्ट होती है शाम.
right right
We call the meeting to order. I request our company secretary, Pooja, to start the proceedings. मैडम को बोलो 15 हो गए, चालू करो वरना।
Good morning, everyone. This is Pooja, your company secretary of DHANALAXMI ROTO Spinach Limited. I welcome all the shareholders, directors, scrutinizers to the meeting of DHANALAXMI ROTO Spinach Limited. I hereby confirm that the quorum is there for conducting meeting, and we proceed with the meeting of shareholders. Also, I would like to inform all the shareholders that the venue voting option is open during the time of the meeting and also 15 minutes after conclusion of the meeting. So, the shareholders who have not voted during the remote e-voting can also vote during the meeting and 15 minutes after conclusion of the meeting. Now, I would like to request Mr. Shamsundar Jakhotia, chairman of the company, to take over the meeting.
Good morning. The 35th annual report of copy of DHANALAXMI ROTO Spinach Limited is with you. I welcome all the shareholders, directors, auditors, and company secretary to 35th annual general meeting of the company. Now I request the managing director, Mr. Rajkumar Inani, to take the necessary meeting further. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Sahab Shamsundar ji. Dear shareholder, I welcome you all to the meeting. The 35th annual report of your company is with you, and it gives me pleasure to inform you that the performance of the company has been good during the year. It is my privilege to share the 34th annual report of your company. Though COVID is under control, governments around the world are constantly pursuing measures to limit the current disruption in trade and commerce due to Russia and Ukraine war and China-Taiwan flare-up situation. At DHANALAXMI, even in such tough times when businesses are being affected due to war disturbance, I believe it is my duty to constantly find opportunities and embrace the challenge to deliver value to all stakeholders, shareholders, customers, employees, and suppliers. We at DHANALAXMI are truly committed to our mission and vision statement and have thereby created a value system which guide us in achieving our objectives. Given our values and ethics, we were able to overcome the adversaries and have started this financial year on a positive note, keeping the pains of the world disturbance aside. With such a strong determination, camaraderie, and we are poised to achieve our target. We realize the current situation is very challenging, hence we have ensured that we keep suitable contingency plans ready. We remain careful and are ready to repurpose our course of action to adapt to such changing circumstances. Performance during 21-22 of your company, we have recorded total revenue of 12,319 lakhs as against 7,625 lakhs in financial year 2021, which clearly shows our commitment to improve our business performance. The outlook for wood pulp and paper industry looks promising. Our PAT has jumped by more than 75% compared to the previous financial year for 21-22. PAT stood at 733.21 lakhs as against 405.2 lakhs in 2021. Owing to the robust performance and outstanding profits, our earning per share for 21-22 stood at 18.8 compared to 10.39 in the previous year. I would like to appreciate the members and the senior management and all the employees across the company for their valuable contribution in overcoming the pandemic situation and being part of this success story. We are grateful to all shareholders and stakeholders for placing their trust on us. Thank you. Now we take up the business of the meeting. Ordinary business. The first agenda is to adoption of audited financial statements. To receive, consider and adopt the audited balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 and the statement of profit and loss account for the year ended on the date, together with the cash flow statement and the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereof. We already had e-voting, and e-voting lines are open and will remain open for further 15 minutes. Those who have not voted can avail and vote now. Agenda 2, declaration of dividend. To declare dividend at ₹1 per equity share, that is 10% on the face value of ₹10 per share for the shareholders of the company for FY 21-22. To appointment of director retiring by rotation, reappointment of director in place of Rajkumar Irani, that is me, who retires by rotation and being eligible offer himself for the appointment. For appointment of statutory auditors of the company, to consider and appoint Mr. G.D. Upadhyay and Company Chartered Accountants as statutory auditors of the company, and in this regard pass the following resolution as an ordinary resolution. Pursuant to the provision of Section 139 and other applicable provision of the Companies Act 2013 and the rules thereunder, the Act, including any statutory modification or reenactment thereof for the time being in force, Mrs. G.D. Upadhyay, Hyderabad, firm number 058345, be and are hereby appointed as statutory auditor of the company for a period of 5 years commencing from the conclusion of this annual general meeting till the conclusion of annual meeting to be held for financial year 2026-27 on such remuneration as may be fixed by the audit committee of the company and reimbursement of out-of-pocket and incidental expenses. Now I would like to invite speakers who have registered with company to speak at the AGM. Kindly raise the hand in case you wish to speak.
Sir, please read out the name one by one for me to enable them to talk.
Yeah, are there any speakers?
Sir, I guess Mr. Praful Chavda has raised the hand and he has already registered with the company for speaking at the AGM. So I request the host to enable them to speak.
Mr. Praful, please unmute yourself and speak.
हेलो
या
मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
हाँ जी.
थैंक यू सर राजेश सर, थैंक यू बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, कुछ चेयरमैन सर तो मेरे साथी शेयरहोल्डर, आज अपनी कंपनी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस से हो रही है और अच्छा है, हम घर पे बैठ के आराम से बैठ के बात कर सक रहे, तो नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर में भी ऐसी मीटिंग रखे तो अच्छा ही रहता है, ऐसा मेरा मानने का है सर। कंपनी अपना स्लोली आगे बढ़ती है और जो बिजनेस है तो मुझे ऐसा दिखता है कि और भी अपने बिजनेस में कुछ आगे जाना चाहिए या अपने जो भी बिजनेस अभी कर रहे इसमें कुछ और ऐड करना भी चाहिए ताकि अपने कंपनी के शेयरहोल्डर को ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिविडेंड मिले। आने वाले फेस्टिवल की सबको शुभकामना देता हूँ और पूरे ग्रुप के लोगों को मैं विश करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Praful ji. We have taken note of your suggestion and will definitely try to implement. The next speaker.
Ms. Pooja, please read out the next name.
Mr. Keshav Garg also has raised a hand for speaking at the AGM. However, he did not register with the company earlier. So, still, can we give them the chance to speak at the AGM?
First, let us complete the people who have given this one.
The other 3 persons who members who requested for speaking at the AGM have not joined the AGM. So we can continue with Mr. Keshav Garg.
Okay.
Mr. Keshav,
Sir,
please
sir.
unmute yourself and speak.
Sir, thank you very much for providing me this opportunity. Sir, on behalf of all your shareholders, I want to thank you for the maiden dividend that you have given. So we are very grateful for the same. And sir, we all hope that the company will carry on the growth journey under your great leadership. Sir, I just had a few questions. Sir, last year we had a excellent profit in sir of 4.3 crore operating profit or EBITDA in the June 2021 quarter. So, but subsequent to that, our quarterly profits have been declining, and last quarter in June quarter, it was 1.1 crore EBITDA. So should we expect the same kind of quarterly EBITDA for the rest of the quarters, around 1 crore? Or sir, you are expecting some growth? And sir, also last year we did around 120 crore top line and around 8 crore of operating profit. So you think this EBITDA is sustainable 8 crore for this year, or so what kind of number should we expect? And sir, I understand that we are doing trading of waste paper. So if you could just give us some broad outlook that what are your plans? So where do you see this company in 5 years' time? So can we exceed like 500 crore revenues in the coming years? So what are your plans, sir? What is the main strength of our company, sir? Because anybody can start doing trading. So what makes us, what makes our business strong and what gives us advantage over the competitors? And sir, that is all. And sir, best wishes of all your shareholders are with you. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Keshavji. We wish to inform you that we are purely a trading concern, and we don't deal in waste paper. We deal in wood pulp, which is a raw material for paper industry. So wood pulp is an entirely different commodity compared to paper, and the profitability depends on the demand and supply in the market. So, and basically wood pulp need to be imported. There is not much availability within the country. So if at times the international prices are low and the Indian market is high, so we get a better margin. Otherwise, as a trading concern, we look around for a steady margin. So what you feel high margin during the first quarter was one of a kind. But otherwise, we look around for a decent profit margin, which should remain constant through all the quarters. But as I said, there are spikes wherein we are able to source raw material at a lower price and able to market here at a good price. So that is the main performance or main strength of the company. We definitely look around for a growth, and for our first quarter, we already registered a growth of around 15% quarter on quarter compared to the last year, and we look for a decent increase in company top line. And as the top line increase, bottom line will definitely increase. We thank you for your wishes, and we do look forward to grow along with our shareholders. Thank you. I request Pooja Madam to conclude the meeting.
Yes, we do not have any other shareholders who want to speak at the AGM. So with the permission of Chairman, Managing Director and all other directors present in the meeting, we hereby conclude the meeting, and also we would like to inform you all that the results of this meeting would be displayed on the website of the company after unblocking the shares in the presence of by scrutinizer, and we would declare the results on the website of the company. So with this, I would like to conclude.
We just also want to remind the shareholders that the voting line is open for further 15 minutes, and they can vote on the resolutions for next 15 minutes. Thank you.
Yes, yes. So as informed by MD sir, the voting lines are still open for next 15 minutes after the conclusion of the meeting. So the shareholders who have not voted earlier can vote now, and the results would be displayed on the website of the company. And with this, I conclude the 35th annual general meeting of the Lakshmi ROTO Spinners, and I extend my vote of thanks to all the stakeholders of the company, including the directors, auditors, scrutinizers, shareholders, and all other stakeholders of the company for believing in the company. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Now I'm concluding the meeting.
Thank you.